Tip number 17 is about getting muscle. What we know is half a kilo of fat burns only around about 7 kilojoules a day. Half a kilo, though, of lean muscle tissue burns between 120 and 200 kilojoules a day. This is my 2.3 kilo fat model. Most of us gain more than this over winter months. What we know, regardless of what your body weight or your body shape is, the more muscle mass you have, the more protected against disease you are. One of the new areas of research is looking at sitting down versus standing up. We know that sitting kills us faster. So the more sitting that you do at work, at home, in front of the television, the more dangerous that is for your health. What we're recommending is that more people use more opportunities to get up out of their chair and move around, making use of walking across the office or around the house, being more active just in our everyday lives.